David Labrava, 55, is mourning the death of his son. Taiko Kiusano, who committed suicide at just 16. The grief-stricken dad shared the tragic news with his Instagram followers on May 9. David, who played Happy Loman on the hit show Sons of Anarchy, posted a gallery of photos of his son. He added the caption, "Never in a million tears, sick. Would I think I would be posting this? This is my boy Taiko. He took his life a couple of days ago at 16 years old. He suffered from a depression we couldn't see because he was a happy young kid." He added, "Communicate with your loved ones, there might not be any signs. Cherish them. I am broken." The photos David shared included pictures of the father and son during happier times, often on film sets. The actor also included a link to a GoFundMe account, which shed more light on Taiko's sad death. A woman called Catherine Spieles Francini created the crowdfunding page. She wrote, "On May 5, 2018 Taiko Spieles Kiusano decided to end his life. He was 16 years old. He quietly suffered from depression for years and didn't know how to ask for help." Catherine shared details about Taiko's character and personality, writing, "An amazing and beautiful soul, Taiko was extremely intelligent, athletic, loyal, and a sensitive friend. He was full of life, constantly smiling, and had a knack for making others laugh. Taiko loved his family and friends. This is how we will forever remember him." Catherine also revealed why she started the GoFundMe page, writing, "Taiko's last wish was give all of my money to a depression and bipolar organization, so that's exactly where it's going." She also added, "Please join us in our fight to raise awareness of the signs of depression. We need to honor our friends because we never know what's hiding behind someone's smile." At the time of writing this post, Catherine has raised more than $8,000, roughly $2,500 short of her fundraising goal. We're heartbroken for David, Taiko and their family and friends. May he rest in peace and his loved ones find comfort. If you or anyone you know is depressed and needs someone to talk to, please reach out to the National Suicide Prevention Line at 1-800-273-8255. It is never too late to ask for the help you need.